I attended the wedding yesterday. I think that was the second wedding I've attended this year, and it was so fun. Like Tuface performed, and the crowd was screaming. It was just so fun seeing people get married and all of that. It was my clients, but it was. It is Tuesday morning here, and it's about 8 o'clock. I'm heading to the for a skill acquisition program, and it is holding at and it's happening at the incubator at Sanfield, Lekki. So I'm heading there right now, and I really love my hair. Like it's a full wig. I just pinned it to my hair. I made it into this cute little ponytail, and I love it. I'm really proud of myself because I do the least thing when it comes to hair. I just find something really simple, and I'm ready to go. Well, I really love my look today. Yo, yo, yo. Hey guys, just got here and I'm about to enter the venue. Okay, Safi is joining me soon, but she's not here because of traffic. So I'm expecting her. You guys will see her soon. Yo. She said, "Any problem?" I said, "Yes." Why? Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's my anti-allergy drug? Just went straight to the anti-allergy drug. So that one took like 5 to 10 minutes. Go around and came back. I can't lay on the bed. I said, see, I would have used my house to do somebody's big thing. I was sick. And then it was good I pulled out time. If not, my entire eye would have swollen. It would have been terrible. So maybe I just told her, she has to just go to cardiology drug. Part to me. So I'm going to curve it and connect it to her point C. Sorry. She's trying to find pictures. See your face.
Ore.
Accent.
No, this is not accent. Like,
This is
my
what?
name is Ore. That's how I talk. And you can call me Safi. Nice
can
to
call
meet
her
you
Auntie
guys.
Sarah. Hello guys, good morning. So it is day 2 of the training and I'm on my way there right now. And I just wanted to check in with you guys and holla at you. I got home late and I was quite tired when I got home, so hi guys, good morning. And I'm on my way to church and I just got to the church environment. I just I just got to church. Everything looks so beautiful. Today was really touching because it talked about how some of us neglect God and we just add complacent to the word of God, which is not supposed to be. And I found that very relatable. So I went to ShopRite to shop for some groceries and some of the things we needed at home. Yeah, and that's what I'm doing right now, just picking stuff here and there. Yes, so next up I'll be going into game to pick up a few things. Hey guys, good morning. I know I look like crap right now, but I just came out to the mall to do some grocery shopping. I'm almost done and I'm on my way home right now. So yeah, I just said to check in with you guys and take you guys along with my grocery shopping. Loving the weather today. Like the weather in Lagos has been extremely cold, and it's almost for me because I don't catch cold every time, but this weather is just bad. This completes the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment in the comment section, and turn on the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I post a video. Bye guys.